Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to mute and unmute stories on your Facebook profile using the Facebook app. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys, on how to do it. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. All you have to do is open up the Facebook app, and then you want to select your profile icon in the top right. Underneath Menu, select Settings. And then scroll down underneath Audience and Visibility, and you want to select where it says Stories. And at this point, it should say Stories You've Muted. Select the View button. So if you've muted any stories, they would show up here, and then you could remove them if they were already muted. So you could just delete them from here, and that means it would be unmuted at that point. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And if you wanted to mute a story, just would select the three-dotted icon next to that story, and you would select the mute option. Again, that would be if you were on a specific page of a story. You could just mute it that way. So like I said, pretty straightforward process. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.